Yes, well, our home was really starting to look very weathered with our old cedar siding. So as we explored providers and options, when I contacted the James Hardie company, they recommended Mark and SmardBuild as a reliable provider. So we invited Mark out. He took a look at the project, and while he was here, he actually recommended some other options that would make the project even better. For example, our porch, the ceiling in our porch was looking very weathered as well, and he gave just a great suggestion. We put in a ceiling fan there, and then now it's a much more inviting space. So he was very thorough, not pushy at all, but took his time with us, and we just felt very comfortable with his reputation as well as the thoroughness in which he put together a proposal for our home. Well, I think anyone that's done a home project knows that the sales part is the easy part. It's really when you get into the execution, whether the provider that you've selected really follows through with what they say. And we can just say with no reservations that Mark's team was here on time every day. They followed through on all their commitments, and just really pleased with the level of care they took to be careful around our home, not to disturb other aspects of the home. And Andy, who's a foreman that was here, was willing to answer any questions we might have, and was very proactive in letting us know how their progress was going.
Yeah, and I would say, like, the whole team together, if anytime we had a question, Terry would reach out to Mark, and he would respond super fast. Like, I was always impressed at how quickly we got an answer back. Everything was clean, the crew was quiet, they were helpful, it was great.